one thing to shoot a car that's just sitting there still, but to shoot a car that is drifting or creating any sort of motion, it's unreal. There's nothing compared to it.
Today I woke up and there was a G70 on my doorstep. We are here in Malibu, headed down to San Pedro, to the San Pedro docks actually, where I'm gonna meet Ting. Some of the most iconic films in history have been shot down in San Pedro. The Usual Suspects, Fast and the Furious, To Live and Die in LA. We're gonna choreograph a really cool, gritty chase scene. So I've been working in the entertainment business as an actress and stuntwoman. There's really no better way to show off the performance of this 3.3 V6 Genesis G70 than to bring an inside look to how car chases in the film industry are actually made. And there is nothing sexier than a fast-driving, aggressive car chase. Hi, Caitlin. So great to finally meet you in person.
It's great to meet you in person.
So listen, I saw some of your photography, motor sports and drifting. It's absolutely phenomenal. It's gorgeous.
Thank
really
you.
Stunning,
Thank
exciting
you so
stuff. And I'm excited because we're gonna do some more of that today.
Yeah, I can't wait.
In fact, we actually have a race and stunt driver, Leah Croteau, who's gonna be here with us today.
Awesome.
So you are in good hands.
How you doing? Well,
Cusado, Ashley,
meet you both.
Ting, as in Caitlin. Lee and I are here to choreograph and create some cool action car chase for you to photograph.
Thank you guys for being here.
Yeah,
Seriously.
you got it.
we're here for your vision, so
Don't be shy, speak up, tell us what you need and we'll do it.
we're like your paintbrushes. You know, you just tell us what you want us to do, and we'll just fill the canvas with whatever you want.
I can't wait. We've got this warehouse and we've got this wharf behind us,
Yeah.
so it'll be a lot of fun.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's gonna be cool, it's gonna be cool.
They're going to be coming in and around and up this ramp here into the warehouse. It should be really cool, and I brought out my lightest lens for this. It's my 400-2.8. I bring it everywhere. It's my favorite lens to use. I use it for all my drift events. It's like cheating. Every shot is perfect. That was great. If you guys could keep it a little tighter next time.
Yes, ma'am. I'm starting at 1.
What I'm really looking for is a nice head-on shot of them sliding around this corner to get up the ramp. So I switched to my 135 so I could get a little more of the scene because we have the harbor behind. For a shot like this, I'm trying to really focus on the front of the car with the smoke behind it. Kind of just, everyone always says spray and pray. That was pretty close.
Copy that.
I'm thinking it'd be pretty dramatic if we did a J-turn right through that warehouse door. It will set the Genesis and the
Chase car up nose to nose.
I think that's a terrific idea. And then maybe, how about a reverse 180 after that?
You read my mind.
All right, and action.
Woo! Giving you a kiss. I hope you like it.
That was really great, really dynamic. Yeah, I think I got the shot.
Oh look, how convenient. There's some water in this warehouse. I think we should take a detour.
All right, Ashley, so you're going to drift through the puddle towards the door, and Leah, you're gonna chase.
Spin to win. I like it.
I think that should stay in.
I really liked it.
That's right, we're dancing.
I did not expect the 360 now. Okay, this is the last shot of the day. I'm gonna have you drift out of the door and then drive down the wharf.
I love it.
That was awesome. That's a wrap. That was it. That's all I wanted. It's perfect.
I was impressed by the G70 on many different levels. I mean, its chassis is athletic, it's sporty, it's agile, and yet there's like an elegance about it.
So the G70 just absolutely looked stable, planted, muscular, it would just go away from me every time. So I really had to work for the shot.
I really liked the color. I liked the lines. There was one where I was on my 400 and I captured them coming towards me, and I think that that's a really dynamic shot. There was another one that I captured of Ashley drifting out of this door here, and it kicked up a bunch of dirt, and you could see the taillights. They just popped, and the Genesis logo popped. It was unreal. The puddle photo, I think that's probably one of my favorite ones too. There's something really dynamic and interesting using water with cars.
The whole aspect of just working together with these three great females in such a great car, wow, we're just kind of bouncing ideas off of each other, and we really came up with some really good choreography, I think.